Hey guys, this is Balazs and welcome to another Zoom episode. Today we're going to talk about the Rolex Oyster Perpetual mid-size 31mm reference 77014. It's a watch that is strongly connected to the pioneering origins of Rolex and due to its straightforward design and simplicity, basically represents some of Rolex's most important values. By the way, if you want to learn more about auto models and watches in general, make sure to subscribe to our channel where you can find all the other Zoom episodes, our in-depth watch talks, and reviews, as well as event recaps and how-to videos. But now let's talk about this beautiful Rolex Oyster Perpetual 31mm. The watch itself is 31mm, hence I'd call it a ladies or a medium-sized model. The case is oyster steel, which is Rolex's special steel alloy. It's a monoblock middle case with a screw-down back and a winding crown with a twin lock system. By the way, you can tell the crown being twin lock by the little line under the coronet on the crown. This line represents twin lock in steel and in gold models. If you see two dots under the coronet, that's for the white gold model, and if you see one dot, that's for platinum. Twin lock offers a double waterproofness, and with this, the watch is 100 meters waterproof. Crystal is scratch resistant sapphire. The dial is silver. I think it's a pretty simple, clean and elegant dial that makes the watch just basically blend in. It has applied indexes and the applied logo Rolex coronet at 12 o'clock. The movement inside the 77014 is the caliber 2230, which is Rolex's in-house caliber. This was produced between 1999 and 2014 when it was upgraded to the 2231. The movement has a Breguet hairspring, 42 hours of power reserve, a frequency of 28,800 vibrations per hour, and it's COSC certified, so chronometer certified, automatic movement. Obviously, as you can see under the dial, it says Rolex Oyster Perpetual, Oyster referring to the case and Perpetual referring to the watch movement being automatic. The bracelet is an Oyster bracelet. Sometimes you can see these watches with Jubilee bracelets. This time it's an Oyster bracelet with the flat three-piece links on it, as you would have with female or also male Rolex models, sports models, and other models. The material is also oyster steel, so Rolex's alloy comes with a simple folding clasp. So this Oyster Perpetual is an elegant watch despite the lack of complications. With the steel case and silver dial, it has a straightforward design and simply looks gorgeous. The watch is only 31mm, hence a little bit small for my wrist. I'd call it more of a ladies piece, but of course that doesn't take anything away from the design. When it comes to the price, we are looking at 3,000 to 4,000 euros depending on the condition of the watch, and of course if it's a set with box and papers. This watch is from early 2000s, so the price might be a bit lower than the new models, the latest reference models. And actually many of our users seem to really like this Oyster Perpetual. When you look at the sales numbers of all the watches with a diameter of 31mm, you can see that the Oyster Perpetual ranked second only behind the Latest in 2019 on Chrono24. As you'd have it with every watch from our Zoom episodes, you can buy it on Chrono24, so we put the link for the model page in the description below. But what do you think? Do you like the Oyster Perpetual? Would you like to own one at some point, or maybe own one already? Let us know in the comments below, and if you liked the video, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Enjoy your watches. Bye bye.